Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find the location performance for your Google Ads campaign? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to check the performance for various locations in your Google Ads campaign anyways? That's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that some locations are going to perform better. So maybe it's better to cut out the other locations and focus your money towards a location that's performing better. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Ads, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to see what the location performance is with one of your Google Ads campaigns, here on the left side, you're going to click on campaigns. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu, and you want to look for this line, audiences, keywords, and content. Once you open that up, you're going to see another drop-down menu, and you click here on locations. Okay, next, what you want to do is scroll to the top, and you're going to see these two boxes. Go ahead and choose the campaign that you want to check the location performance. Okay, so once you've done that, it's going to show the location performance for that particular Google ad campaign. Now, if you look down here, you can see for this particular campaign for my client, we were targeting counties. So here's LA County, Orange County. Now, within that, there's a lot of different cities and zip codes. So unless you specifically targeted a city like this one, Los Angeles, California, or a specific zip code, it's not going to show data. So for example, in LA County, there's a city called Santa Monica. You're not going to be able to drill down the information for Santa Monica, California, unless you specifically added Santa Monica, California as a targeted location. So with this data, you can go ahead and review all of these columns. So we can see right here, Orange County is getting a better click-through rate, 12.62% as opposed to LA County. There could be for a lot of different reasons. Maybe it's a lot more competitive in LA County. However, you might not want to turn off LA County because you're just getting a huge amount more of impressions. Looks like, around 8 times as many more impressions. Also, if you look over here, you can see the average cost per click. So we're getting a better click-through rate in Orange County, California, but for the cost per click, it's a little bit higher. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to check location performance for one of your Google Ads campaigns, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.